everyone, how are you? Fine? Very nice. So welcome back to Nagesh Karasgi Orchid School channel. Okay, students, today we are going to learn phonics subject. Which subject we are going to learn? Phonics subject. So you have to be ready with your phonics skill book, also pencil, eraser. Okay, so can you remember and tell me what we have learned in the last episode in phonics class? What we have learned? Yes, which words we have learned? Which vowel words we have learned? Yes, very good. E vowel words, E vowel sound we have learned. Yes or no? So once we will revise the topic, then we will start with our today's topic. Phonics skill book, page number 1010. Be ready with pencil. So in the last episode we have learned the E vowel sound. Okay, what is the sound of vowel E? It is A. Okay, so you have to repeat the words after teacher. Okay, see, N at a net, P and a pen, T and a ten. Okay, now these are the few more words we are going to see. Okay, see here. H and a hen, repeat after teacher. H and a hen, P and a pen, T and a ten. These are E and N words. Okay. Now we will see ED, ed words. B and a bed, F and a fed, R and a red. Now ET, et words. J at a jet. You have to keep your finger in your textbook. Okay, you have to point out the words that teacher is saying. Okay, yes, J at a jet, N at a net, P at a pet. Now EG, egg words. K egg a keg, L egg a leg, P egg a peg. Okay, so we have seen these words in the last episode. Okay children, now you have to turn the page. Next page you have to open page number 1 to 12. Okay, so today we are going to learn words with A sound. There are more words of A sound, so we are going to learn today that words. Okay, all are ready? Shall we start with our topic? Very nice. Fold your hands. You have to first listen to teacher, then you have to point the words in the textbook. Okay, yes. Now see here, what you can see here, which letters are here? Yes children, which letters you can see over here? Which letter is this? These two letters are there, EB. So what will be the sound? Ebb. Okay, which letter is this? W. Very good. W-E-B. It is given here. Okay. So what will be the sound? Web. This word is web. Repeat after teacher. Web. Next word. Now see here. E-D. Ed words. Which words these are? These are ed family words. So what is the first word? What is the sound? Very good. B, A, D. B, A, D, bed. Repeat after teacher. B, A, D, bed. Next word. See here. Now you can see here first word is B and this is ED, ed. You can underline with the pencil for your understanding. See. F. Letter F. What is the sound of letter F? F. And ED, ed. F, ed, fed. Next is L, ed. L, ed, led. W. What is the sound of W? W. Very good. W, ed, wed. B, ed, bed. F, ed, fed. L, ed, led. W, ed, wed. Got it? These are ed family words. Which words these are? Yes, they are ed family words. Sorry, ed family words. Okay. Yes. Now we will see egg family words. Egg. Okay. Yes. See this letter. Which letter is this? First one. B. Very good. And what is the sound? B. Very nice. B and this egg. Egg. Bag. Repeat after teacher. Egg. Bag. Next one is egg. Egg. Keg. Egg. Keg. Next word, next letter is L. And what is the sound? L. Egg. Leg. Egg. Leg. Next is letter P. Pa. Okay, and this is egg. Egg. Peg. Egg. Peg. These are egg family words. Okay, see here. Eb family word. Ed family words. Egg family words. Okay, now we will see N family words. Which words these are? N family words. So see the first word. Which letter you can see first? Which letter is this? Very good. Letter D. And what is the sound? D. And a den. You can see here the first letter, it is different in all the words, and the ending two letters, they are same. Okay, so these two ending letters, they are belonging to that particular family. Okay, now you can see here N. Okay, all the words, they are ending with En. Okay, so these are En family words. Understood? Next word, what is the sound of this letter F? For. Very good. For fan. For a fan. Next word. Which word you can see here? Which letter is this? H. And what is the sound? And a hen. And a hen. Next word. And a man. And a man. Next word. And a pen. And a pen. And a 10. These are N family words. Okay, see, D and a den, for and a fan, and a hen, and a man, and a pen, and a 10. Understood? Okay, now we will see et family words. Okay, yes. Which first word, see here, which letter is this? Very good. Letter B. And what is the sound? Bet. 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 Second word, G. First letter is G. And what is the sound? Get. Get. Next word, first letter is M. Met. Met. Next word, net. Net. Next word, set. Set. V. What is the sound of letter V? Wa. Wa at a wet. Wa at a wet. Next word. First letter is W. And what is the sound? Wa. Wa at a wet. Wa at a wet. Wa at a wet. Next word is Y. What is the sound? Ya. Ya at a yet. Ya at a yet. Ya at a yet. Okay. So these are EB, ebb family word, ED, ed family words, EG, egg family words, EN family words, and ET, et family words. So have you all understood these words? How to read? Once we will read all these words. Okay? All are ready? Fold your hands and repeat after teacher. Okay? Wa at a web. Ba at a bed. Fa at a fed. La at a led. Wa at a wed. Ba egg a bag. Ka egg a keg. La egg a leg. Pa egg a peg. Okay? Da and a den. Fa and a fen. Ha and a hen. Ma and a man. Pa and a pen. Ta and a ten. Next, ba at a bet. Ga at a get. Ma at a mat. Na at a net. Sa at a set. Wa at a wet. Wa at a wet. Ya at a yet. Okay. So have you all understood all these words? Okay. Very nice. After completing this, now you have to turn the page. Next page open. Page number 1313. Okay. So what you can see here? Yes children. What you can see? Some pictures are there. We have to read them aloud. Okay. We have to read aloud. Now you have to tell me which words are this. Okay. Tell me which picture you can see over here. Yes. Which picture is this? Very good. It is. See now. Ba a bed. Repeat. Ba a bed. Which word is this? Yes, it is ba at a bed. Next word. Da and a den. Da and a den. Da and a den. Understood? See, da. First, which letter is this? D. And this two, E and N. Da and a den. Understood? Yes. After this, next one. Ha and a hen. Ha and a hen. Ha and a hen. Next one. Tell me which picture is this? Yes, very good. It is a jet. Ja at a jet. Ja at a jet. Ja at a jet. Okay. Next one. Ka egg a keg. Ka egg a keg. Ka egg a keg. Ka egg a keg. Next word. What you can see? Which picture is this? Yes, it is a leg. La egg a leg. La egg a leg. La egg a leg. L egg leg. Understood? Next word, M and a man. M and a man. M and a man. Got it? Next word, N at a net. N at a net. N at a net. Next word, P egg a peg. P egg a peg. P egg a peg. Next, which picture is this? Very good, it is a pen. P and a pen. P and a pen. P and a pen. Yes, which color is this? Yes, it is red. R and a red. R and a red. R and a red. Last word, T and a 10. You can see here number 10. Yes. Can you see this number 10? Yes. So, T and a 10. T and a 10. Understood? Now what you have to do? Turn the page. Open next page of your textbook. Yes. Have you all opened? Now we have to do practice. Okay, children? See here, circle the things that have a sound. So we have to circle the things that have a sound. So what you have to do? First you have to observe the picture. Which picture is this? Tomato. So it is having a sound? No. See here, nest. Here E vowel is there. Yes or no? Yes. So you have to circle this picture. Nest. E vowel is here. Pencil. Vowel E. So elephant. Here also E vowel is there. 10. Egg. So all these pictures, all these things, they have a sound. Okay, see here, pencil, 10, nest, elephant, egg. Have you all complete? Done? Very good. Now turn the page. Next page you have to open. Here we have to do match the pictures with the words. Okay, so first you have to see the pictures and then we have to match them to their correct words. Okay, children? So first picture, what you can see? Yes, the boy, he is standing in the rain. So he got wet. So where is the proper word? See, W-E-T means wet. So you have to match this picture to this word. Okay? Wet. Done? Yes. So next picture, what you can see here? She's a animal doctor. So what they are known as? Yes, vet. So we wet. This vet. V-E-T vet. Okay. So she's a animal doctor. So you have to match this picture to this word. Next picture, hen. Very good. This you have to match here. Her and a hen. Her and a hen. Okay? Yes. Next picture, leg. So what will be the correct word? Yes, very good. Leg. Now this side also some pictures are there. We have to match to their proper words. Okay? Yes. Now see here, which picture is this? Net. At a net. Here it is. So you have to match it here. Okay? Yes. Done? Next picture, jet. At a jet. Next word, egg a peg. This is peg. So you have to match it to P egg, peg. What is this? Web. Very good. Web. Got it? So you have to complete this matching. Okay? Done? Very good. Students, so what we have learned today? Which topic we have learned? Yes, we have learned the words with a sound. Also we have read all the words. Also we have seen many family words. We have done the practice of circling the words which begins with a sound. Yes or no? Also we have completed match the pair activity. We have matched the pictures to their correct words. So you have to practice all these words at home. Also you have to do the practice of phonic sounds. So it will be easy for you to understand the words, read the words. Okay. So meet you in the next session. Till then, take care. Bye.